January, January, January. February, February, February.
March, March, March. April, April, April.
May, May.
June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. Read lesson again. January,
February,
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Days of month. January, 31 days of month.
February, 28 or 29 days of month. Leap year. March, 31 days of month. April, 30 days of month. May month, 31 days of month. June, 30 days of month. July, 31 days of month. August, 31 days of month. September, 30 days of month. October, 31 days of month. November, 30 days of month. December, 31 days of month. Subscribe my channel, like and share. Please subscribe.